القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Inshallah, welcome to lesson number 4. This lesson is the lesson of Sukun, or also known as Saakin. Okay, Sukun or Saakin. The Saakin or the Sukun is known as the vowelless letter. It is another one of the diacritic marks. The difference between the Fatha, Dhamma and Kasra is with the Fatha and Dhamma or Kasra from the previous lesson, they are the diacritic marks which give you a sound. However, the Sukun indicates that there is no extra sound which is going to be added onto the sound of the letter. Okay, so there is no vowel sound which is going to be added to the letter. So inshallah, let's go to the introduction. The introduction here shows you that the Sukun or Sakin is a semicircle or a full circle. Okay, so in some prints of the Quran, it will either be a semicircle, and in some prints, and normally the computerized print, it will be a full circle above the letter. So if you're reading the Quran on the computer, then it will be a full circle. If you're reading it in print, then it will normally be like a semicircle or 3/4 of a circle. It shows that the letter has no vowel and only the phonetic sound of the letter should be pronounced. A word can never begin with the Sukun. This is very important. A word can never ever begin with the Sakin. And the Sakin can only be read joined with the previous letter with a haraka, either a Fatha, Kasra or Dhamma. Okay, so inshallah here I will explain to you how that works. So if we have a look, the first letter here, and do not get confused, this is not an alif, this is a hamza because there has a fatha on top of it. So this is the first letter, a hamza with the fatha on top, and then we have the ba with the sakin. Okay, now even though I've written sukun, I normally say sakin, and the reason why that's so you can get used to both of the words. So the sakin is on the ba, and if we join them together and we put them together to form a word, then this, so if we remember the sound of the hamza with the fatha is what? I'll give you a second to say it yourself. If you said that the hamza with the fatha is a, then well done. Then when we join the sounds together, we have ab. So A, B together is ab. This in English will be ab, but in Arabic we pronounce it ab. Okay, we need to make sure we're adopting the accent of the Quran, the accent of the Arabs. The Prophet ﷺ said in one hadith, we should read the Quran in the voices and the accents of the Arabs, which means we need to pronounce it exactly how the Arabs pronounce it. And you will find actually that the Quran, no matter who is reading it, we all try to join it and read it in a particular way, so that it doesn't matter whether it's a Arab from Saudi Arabia, an Arab from Egypt, an Arab from Morocco, or a Pakistani person, or an American white person, or a British white person, or a Chinese person. We all try to read it together. The Indonesians, it doesn't matter where you're from, whether you're from Africa, it does not matter. You all try to read this in the same accent, in the same sound. So we need to ensure that we're doing that. So just again, join together, this will be ab. With the ra and the fatha, if you can remember the sound of this, I'll give you a second to say it yourself. If you said the sound is ra, then well done. And the ba again with a sakin, and this is rab. Remember, the ra or the fatha is pronounced in a heavy sound, so that's why I'm pronouncing the ra heavy. Now when you pronounce the ra heavy, the sound, the heaviness does not continue to the ba. The ba is light. Rab. This is the ha, and it has the dhamma. Now what is the sound of the ha and the dhamma? If you said hu, then well done. So the sound is hu, and here we have a meme, which is sakin on it. And together this is hum. So hum. You can hear the meme here has no extra vowel sound. The ba has no extra vowel sound. The ba has no extra vowel sound. The vowel is only on the first letter, and the meme, it almost stops on the sound of the original sound of the letter. The next one is qaf with the dhamma, if you can pronounce it yourself. Qu, if you said qu, well done. So here we can see the lam is got the sakin on it, and if we join them together, it's qul. Qul. Now again, qaf is a heavy letter and lam is a light letter, so the qaf will be pronounced heavy, but the heaviness does not continue to the lam. Qul, qul, qul. And the way we can ensure that if the first letter is heavy and if the second letter is a sakin, we can ensure that it doesn't fall through, is that when we say the light letter, so in this instance the lam, then we bring our lips back in a straight sort of sound, inshallah. Qul, qul. So we pull the lips back, the side of the lips back when we're saying the lam. The lam to the noon, if you said the fatha sound is la, well done. Len, len, len. So here we can see the noon has no extra sound, it's just a vowelless sound, or the original sound of the noon. And this is the hamza with the fatha, and the mim with the sakin is m, 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 m. Inshallah, in the next video you will practice how to say these all together with me, inshallah.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.